Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video on our channel. In this video, let's learn how to redeem a Spotify gift card on your phone. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end without skipping any part. Now you cannot redeem your Spotify gift card with the app of Spotify. For this, you'll need to open up Spotify within your web browser. So open up your web browser and then just search for Spotify Redeem. After you do, this website of Spotify will appear. Just tap on this option and then you'll need to again log into your Spotify account. Because I've already logged in, you can see this interface. When you also log in, you'll land on this interface. Now all you need to do is type in your code or your PIN, which is on the back of your gift card, and then check that you're not a robot, and then tap on continue, and your Spotify gift card will be immediately redeemed, and you can use the Spotify gift card to purchase your premium of Spotify. So that's all it takes to redeem a Spotify gift card on your phone. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.